and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Let me introduce you to my little friend Luna, and we've got a really exciting week for you. Every single day there's going to be a new tutorial on a different type of dog. I've asked you which dogs you'd like me to do, so I've picked the most popular ones. So if you enjoy it, please hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. We're going to start off the Border Collie with a little small circle at the top of the page. So you can draw around something, maybe a coin or a very small glass. So next we're going to draw a rectangle underneath it. Now the rectangle is going to be a little bit longer than twice the size of the circle. So just measuring with my fingers, that's going to be twice the size. We're going to add on a little bit more. So that's going to be the bottom of the rectangle. So let's just draw a rough rectangle here. Remember to draw this very lightly in pencil. I'm just drawing it quite heavily so that you can see it on camera. There we go. And don't forget, if I go too quickly, hit pause and rewind. There we go. Next we're going to add in the ears. So one ear here and one ear here. We're going to cut the head in half. Sounds a bit gross, doesn't it? But not really. So draw a line across and then a part for the nose and then a smiley little mouth. So one going up like that. And then the tongue's going to be hanging out. So there's our tongue. And then the bottom of the mouth. Like that. And then two little eyes. So one here and one here. Looks quite cute, doesn't it? So just below halfway, about there, we're going to draw a slither of a line. So that comes all the way down. And then we're going to draw at this height another one, but it's more curved and bigger. So one like that. Okay? Next, we're going to draw shapes which I can only describe as loaves of bread. So there's one loaf of bread. Here's another loaf of bread. Here's another loaf of bread. There we go. Now for the tail, just here, I'm going to draw a line going to the left. It's going to go upwards and then curved along the top like a hill. And that's the end of stage one. Okay, so this next part I'm going to do straight in pen, but please carry on in pencil. It's only so that you can see it properly on camera. So draw the nose, so a shape like this, and then a little strip left in white. There we go. And then the top of the mouth comes round like so. And then the same on the other side, comes round like so. And then we're going to do the tongue. So, there we go. With a line down the middle. Now we're going to finish off the mouth. So it comes up like that and up like that. Don't forget that we need to colour it in because it's in darkness inside the mouth, so we can't see it. Just like that. Now we're going to carry on the bottom part of the mouth and the chin. So that comes up and just round like so. And the same on the other side. Up and round like so. We're going to add some markings on either side. So just a line coming up like that on that side and one on this side. Okay, I'm going to draw a little line just here. Okay, and then a line going across like that. We're now going to add these wonderful sparkly eyes. So let's try and do them justice. So there's one there. Leave a tiny little gap of light to show that there's a reflection of light. I'm going to draw the same on the other side. Just like that. Okay. Then we're just going to draw a little marking there. And then now for the face. So these Border Collies have incredibly long fur, particularly around the face. So just draw the fur using like these little wispy lines that I'm doing here. Go all the way up to the top where it gets shorter and shorter. We get to the top of the head and then it gets longer and longer as we come down the other side so that it's symmetrical. There we go. huge big moustache or beard. There we go. Okay, now for the cute ears. They're very furry. So just draw a line going up, and then they've got these little bits that droop over. There we go. And then the same on the other side with the fur. There we go. And then here. And then the droopy bit. And then they come back round, like so. Okay, just do a little bit on the inside. And the same on here. Okay, so let's carry on with the body. If you've got this far, you're doing super, super, super well. Well done. Don't give up. You've showed up today. You're doing an incredible job. You're going to finish this drawing. Yes, you are. So let's just keep on going. Did you know that the word collie is the Scottish word for sheepdog, and they're called border collies because they originated on the border between England and Scotland. So that's your fun fact for this one. Okay, so let's just draw all this fur. It's got a very, very hairy, furry chest. So lots more fur going downwards, going all the way down. All the way down like this, like so. So now we're going to do the top of the legs. So this is kind of like the shoulder area, coming down, gets a little bit less furry, and then that's the foot. So do the other part of the leg, that gets covered in fur there. Do the other shoulder, coming round. And then it gets less furry, comes down, hits the foot. And then, yeah. There we go. Now we're going to do the paws. So these loaves of bread are going to be transformed into paws. So one bump, two bump, another bump, and another bump. There we go. Add some nails. There we go. Just like that. And then this one. Some nails, just like that. We've got the other foot just peeping around the back. You can't quite see it all, just like so. And then this one's peeping out behind this one. So there we go. Add the nails, done. So we've got a bit of fur just peeping out from behind here. There you go, peeping fur. And then a bit more the belly area to make it a bit darker, just because it's in shadow. There we go. And then the bottom here, across. And then for the leg, comes round, just like that. And then on this side it comes out a little bit more and comes round. Now, last but not least, we've got to do the tail. So just like so. There we go. Very, very furry tail. Now, if you haven't done so already, go over it in pen, and then we're going to erase all the pencil lines. Okay, now here's our finished dog drawing. So we're going to add in some markings for the border collie, and I'm going to do that in a black colouring pencil. So you can find something, either felt tip pens or paints or whatever you want to use. I'm just going to show you where the markings go. So there's a line going down the centre of the face. It doesn't have to be perfect because these markings aren't symmetrical and each dog's different. So I'm just going to colour in this area. And then the ear. And then the rest of the face. Okay, next there's an area of white going down the centre. So I'm just going to show where all the areas of dark are. So That's one leg. It's got like a sock on the bottom. And then this one's completely coloured in black. So each dog's markings is different, so don't worry. It's not identical to mine. And then behind here is going to be black as well. Little white feet. And then part of the tail is black as well. I'm just going to draw the shadow in a grey just underneath here, just to show areas that's in shadow. So just down here, there we go. And just underneath the dog, so just here. There we go, and then just underneath the nose here. There we go, I hope you can see that. I'm just going to do the tongue, so just like this flesh colour. Then I'm going to go over it in like a pinky colour. Just like that. And there's our finished Border Collie. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit like and subscribe, and I do hope to see you on the next one. And if you've enjoyed this one, there's a whole range of other dogs to choose from just in the playlist above. Check them out. Bye bye.